81 raised to power x equal to x raised to power 12. You need to find x. For solving this, we do 81 raised to power x 1 by 12x, and here also x raised to power 12 1 by 12x. Why we are doing it, you can easily understand, because you can see 81 x raised to power x 1 by 12x, and here x raised to power 12 1 by 12x. You can see 12 is cancelled by 12 and x is cancelled by, in left hand side 81 raised to power 1 by 12, and here you can see x raised to power x by 1 by x. We need like this na, x and power is also x. Okay, now we can write it as 81 as 3 raised to power 4 and 1 by 12, and here x raised to power 1 by x. 3 raised to power 4 into 1 by 12 equal to x raised to power 1 by x. This is 3 raised to power 4 3 ja 12 1 by 3. Now x raised to power 1 by x. Now you can see, you can compare, because here 3 and power is 1 by 3 and here x power is 1 by x. Now we can compare x equal to 3. X equal to 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.